अरे पप्पाने व्हाईट सांगितलं ना बेटा. ग्रे हवाय ना मला नाही, पप्पाला व्हाईट हवाय. मला काय समजलं काय झालं, मी कम्प्युटर होतो नाही ते नको. व्हाईट हवाय ना तुला, व्हाईट हवंय. व्हाईट तिकडे लेक्चर चालू केले. वाईट द्या बरं का, नवी कोरेल आणि 6 ते 8 वीक नका लावू आता. अभिनंदन करू मामा. हा बोल. आपण 3 काढते मारत त्याला अभिनंदन. तीन कारचे मालक मालकीन. त्यांनी जर तुम्हाला आवडली होती ती त्या 2 आणि दिद्यान देऊ त्यानंतर बेक मॉडर्न देऊ. सतीश मामा बरोबर तुम्ही सांगली बरं का, बरोबर सर. काय मामा काय त्यानंतर बेक मॉडर्न देऊ आणि दिद्यांदा हा देऊ. पटतंय का? पटतंय हो ना. माया करायच्यात का? अरे एक तास लावते ना तुरीतला नंतर त्या म्हणताना विचार तिच्या लावते का आपल्या मागण्या पुढे जमिनी घेत आहेत. फ्युचर मध्ये तुम्ही वाईट काय घेतलं आपल्याला आला पाहिजे. कौस्तुभ, आता आवाज बंद बेटा. माझं हे चालू झालं लेक्चर. हा हा बर, मला ते कानातले डूल आणून दे. काढले वाटतं माझ्या बॅगेतनं. पटकन दे कौस्तुभ. हो. Hello everyone. Hello. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Am I audible to you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry for troubling you in the evening. You might have exhausted by 3 or 4 lecture during the daytime, but due to certain medical problem, I had to go to Dinanath for the MRI scan, and because of which I was there up to nearly 4 o'clock there, and that is why I'm taking now. This week I am on medical leave, but even then, by considering the number of hours available for us to complete the syllabus, I'm going to take your classes in the during our regular session itself. But whatever we have missed today, that I'm going to take it today. I know you are exhausted, so we will take as much as you can bear with me. So please feel free. If you get exhausted, you tell me, we'll stop. But let the lecture to go at least for an 45 minutes minimum. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
we have studied the zeolite method. We have solved the numerical also on it. Now we will see the 4th unit, that is the ion exchange method. This is another method for the purification of water. So we will see the zeolite process already. Last session what we have studied is the zeolite process for softening of water. Now this time we are going to study the ion exchange method. This is one of the method used for softening of water.
Ma'am,
Huh? Yes.
and numericals are not done.
Which one?
Yes, ma'am. Numericals are
Zeolite
not.
process.
on zeolite? On
Yes, ma'am.
zeolite?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll check whether I have minimized them. I can share them. We can take them easily. Just wait for a 2 minute. 1 minute. Huh? Yeah. Now you write down this numerical. I'll explain how to solve this because the PPT in which those numericals are there, they are for your homework. These are the solved examples. I'll explain them. On the same line, you will solve which are there unsolved. Usually I am doing it exactly opposite, but I have not minimized that, so I cannot share that one. Please write down this numerical. Are you able to see properly or shall I read it out for you? This numerical.
Yes, ma'am. We can see properly.
Okay. An exhausted zeolite, even then, for your convenience, I am reading it. An exhausted zeolite was regenerated by 200 liters of NaCl. Yes. What you said, please? Can you repeat? Yes. Am I audible? Am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
audible? Okay. Or otherwise, I'll remove the headphone. Okay. An exhausted zeolite was regenerated by 200 liters of NaCl having strength 160 gram per liter. How many liters of a hard water having hardness 300 ppm as CaSO3 can be softened by this softener? Now, what do you mean by strength? Yes, friends, what do you mean by strength? Strength means concentration. Huh? Yes. Strength means concentration. What is the concentration of NaCl? Yes, who tried this again? Annonation, I got the name. Please remove this immediately, otherwise I'll declare it in tomorrow's lecture. CR group, I will display the name. I keep telling you that stop this nuisance. Send me your name on my personal WhatsApp. I'll not take the action. Otherwise, your name will be there declared in CR group. Chalo, within 2 minutes. Huh? Chalo, fast. No nuisance, please. Otherwise, I'll declare the syllabus. Immediately, do it fast. L division. Are you able to listen to me? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Who did this time pass? I told you in the very first lecture. That name also is with me. You want to get blacklisted in 1 week itself? I am ready. Huh? In class In your CR group, all class teachers are also there. They will also come to know who are the students which are blacklisted. Immediately send me the message of your name and say sorry on my personal WhatsApp. Immediately, don't waste my time. Immediately.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए.
मैम सॉरी मैम, इट विल नॉट हैपन अगेन.
हाँ. See, take care. हाँ. Yes. Take care.
यस मैम, इट विल नॉट हैपन अगेन.
Yeah. Remove that. Erase that. Erase that. Chalo. The way you did it, the same way you apply to remove it. Remove it. Chalo fast. Are you listening to me, Yash? Remove that
Actually
annulation.
ma'am, I didn't do that. It's
Then
not mine ma'am. I thought it was mine. It is not erasing from my app. Actually I didn't do that.
who else has done? Not the Yash. Then who is else? I want the name immediately. No excuse for that. Chalo. Do not waste my time, please. Last 2 minutes, huh? Okay, I'll declare immediately as soon as lecture is over. I'll declare the name in the CRACR group, where class teachers are also there, HOD is also there, director sir is also there. So I need not give separately the name to everyone. Okay, so here the strength of NaCl solution is 160 gram per liter. That means in 1 liter NaCl solution, 160 gram of NaCl powder is added. In 1 liter water, 160 gram of NaCl powder is added, so that its strength is 160 gram per liter. That is the meaning of strength. So, but how much NaCl we have used? 200 liter. We have used 200 liter. So in 1 liter, if 160 gram of NaCl is present, then in 200 liter, how many grams of NaCl powder will be there? So 200 into 160, that is 32,000 gram of NaCl is present. This is in gram. We want it in milligram. So it is 32 into 10 raised to 6 milligram of NaCl powder is present in 200 liter of NaCl solution. Now this NaCl, we have used it for regeneration of zeolite. We have used it for regeneration of zeolite. So we will convert this in terms of CaCO3 equivalence. So for every type of numerical on zeolite, this first step is same. Sometimes the strength is given in terms of gram per liter. Sometimes it is given in terms of the percentage. So 10%. 10% means 10 gram in 100 ml. 10 gram in 100 ml. 10% means 10. Ritesh, 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 Ritesh. Who is Ritesh? Ritesh, Ritesh. Ritesh. So here 1 liter NaCl, it has 160 gram of NaCl. So 200 liter will have 200 into 160, that is 32,000 gram of NaCl. That is 32 into 10 raised to 6 milligram. Now, if 1 liter water sample contains 300 ppm CaCO3 equivalent hardness, it is given that in 1 liter 300 ppm hardness is there in 1 liter. It is given data. So earlier we have considered only this much data, and for that we have done this calculation. Now in second case, we have to study this data. 300 ppm hardness is there. So in 1 liter water, it has 300 ppm CaCO3 equivalent hardness. So for that, we will consider this NaCl in terms of CaCO3. We will consider NaCl in terms of CaCO3. Quantity of NaCl required for regeneration of zeolite in terms of CaCO3. This is NaCl amount present. We will convert in terms of CaCO3. How much CaCO3 is required to remove the hardness? So quantity of NaCl required for regeneration of zeolite softener in terms of CaCO3 equivalent will be 50 divided by 58.5 into 32 into 10 raised to 6 milligram. Now you will ask me, multiplication factor is the molecular weight of CaCO3 divided by molecular weight of the salt. But only for this purpose, only for zeolite numerical, instead of 100 by molecular weight, you have to take 50, which is the equivalent weight of the CaCO3, which is the equivalent weight of CaCO3. So here quantity of NaCl required in terms of CaCO3 we have to calculate, which is we have to multiply it by the multiplication factor. Here earlier we have seen in the hardness, multiplication factor is the molecular weight of CaCO3 divided by molecular weight of salt. But in this case, we have to take equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of CaCO3 is 50 and equivalent weight of NaCl. Now, how you define the equivalent weight? What is equivalent weight? What is the equivalent weight? Yes. Yes. What is equivalent weight? What is equivalent weight? What is equivalent weight? Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? CaCO3, what is the charge on Ca? What is the charge on Ca?
+2.
So how many hydrogen it can replace?
2 hydrogen.
2 hydrogen. So the molecular weight of the salt divided by how many hydrogen it can replace, that is its equivalent weight. So molecular weight of CaCO3 is 100 and it can replace 2 hydrogen. So the equivalent weight of CaCO3 is 50. Are you with me? सगळ्यांना कळलंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हा. ओके. तर आता NaCl, Na वर चार्ज काय आहे? +1.
+1.
तर तो किती हायड्रोजनला रिप्लेस करेल? तो किती हायड्रोजनला
1
रिप्लेस
hydrogen.
करेल? यस.
1 hydrogen.
1. म्हणून त्याचं मॉलिक्युलर वेट आणि इक्विव्हॅलंट वेट सेम राहतं. Na म्हणजे 23, Cl म्हणजे 35.5. So the total is 58.5. So 50 divided by 58.5 multiplied by, this is the amount of NaCl present. So this NaCl amount we have converted in terms of CaCO3 like a hardness. Only difference is here, instead of the molecular weight of CaCO3 divided by molecular weight of NaCl, we have taken the equivalent weight. Why? This is because when zeolite method is used and the hardness of resultant water sample is determined, then it is observed that this value holds good. No other reason is there. So instead of molecular weight in the multiplication factor, we have taken the equivalent weight only for zeolite. For hardness determination, it is molecular weight of CaCO3 divided by molecular weight of NaCl. Now the two names have come to me. Ritesh J is there. I have removed him from the class and I am going to post his name on the link. And another name, I have got it. Yes, another name, Atharva Kulkarni. See whether it is a mistake or by hook or crook, I don't know. But you have done something wrong, you should get punished. Bas. Hereafter, both of you, Atharva Kulkarni and Ritesh J, you are not going to attend any of my lecture. I am not going to give any of my marks which are to be given by me. No assessment for you two students. I will declare that. I will convince it to the HOD. You are not the small kids to play like this. Huh? You don't know we are preparing the slides by late night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, etc. And again, next day we are joining for the class at 8 o'clock. If you have this type of behavior, I don't want you in my class hereafter. Atharva Kulkarni, I have not removed you this time, but Ritesh, I have removed him. No nuisance should be there. I will not tolerate this. Behave properly. Behave properly. So the quantity of NaCl in terms of CaCO3 will be equal to total hardness. जी NaCl ची क्वांटिटी होती ती आपण CaCO3 मध्ये कन्वर्ट केली आहे. तो म्हणजे आपला झाला टोटल हार्डनेस झालेला आहे. तर आता हार्डनेस किती दिलाय पाण्याचा? 300 ppm दिलेला आहे हार्डनेस, म्हणजे 300 मिलीग्रॅम पर लिटर आहे. जे पाणी आपण सॉफ्ट करतो त्याचा हार्डनेस दिलाय 300 मिलीग्रॅम. तर 300 मिलीग्रॅम एका लिटर मध्ये असेल तर इतके मिलीग्रॅम हार्डनेस किती लिटर मध्ये असेल? तर हे आपलं झालं आन्सर. कुठलाही जिओलाइटचा प्रॉब्लेम आला तर पहिले कॅल्क्युलेशन हे आपल्या सेम असणार आहेत. या कॅल्क्युलेशन सेम असणार आहेत. फक्त आता इथे स्ट्रेंथ दिलेली आहे. हिअर इन दिस न्यूमेरिकल स्ट्रेंथ इज गिवन, but sometimes the percentage will be given. If instead of strength, if I will say 10%, then means 10 gram of NaCl is present in 1 liter. So for 1 liter it is so for given liter how much it is? Convert that in milligram. That will be the first part, that is the NaCl amount required. Now this NaCl amount we have to convert it in terms of CaCO3 by multiplying by multiplication factor. Only thing is that here multiplication factor is not the ratio of the molecular weight of the salt divided by molecular weight of CaCO3 by molecular weight of salt, but here it is equivalent weight. Equivalent weight means molecular weight of the salt divided by how many hydrogen it can replace. So CaCO3, Ca has a 2 plus charge and H has a 1 plus charge. So 1 Ca can replace 2 hydrogen, so it is 50. And another is that NaCl, Na has 1 charge, hydrogen has 1 charge. So the equivalent weight and molecular weight of the NaCl remains same. So this is the CaCO3 equivalent hardness present in the water. Now what is asked? In how many liters of water can be softened? हा आपल्याला टोटल हार्डनेस आलेला आहे आणि त्यांनी दिलेला आहे की एका लिटर मध्ये किती हार्डनेस आहे, तर 300 मिलीग्राम एवढा आहे आणि आपला टोटल हार्डनेस आहे इतका मिलीग्राम आहे. तर इफ 1 liter has 300 milligram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness, so this many milligram of hardness will be present in how many liters? So by cross multiplication, 273.50427 into 10 raised to 5 milligram multiplied by 1 liter divided by 300 milligram, that is the liter of water. So this much amount of water can be softened by the zeolite softener. If you want, write down the numerical, then we will go for another type of numerical. First read it. If you have any query, ask me this stage, so that any numerical of this type may be asked in the examination. You should be in a position to answer it properly. Please be with me. सगळं व्यवस्थित समजावून घ्या. Ask me 2 times, 3 times, 10 times. I am ready. Ask me 2 times.
Ma'am,
Understand the problem. Same type of problem will be there in the examination. I am saying same type. Same type means the values will be changed. Here the strength is given in gram per liter. In the exam, strength may be given in percentage. Here 200 liter is given. There may be 500 liter will be given. The values will be changed here and there, but the pattern and the way by which you need to solve will differ, but it will be same. Huh? Have I
ma'am,
made?
एकदा सांगा प्लीज.
काय करू? सगळं सांगू
Hello.
परत पहिल्यापासून?
हो मॅम, एकदा परत सांगा प्लीज.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. इथे NaCl ची स्ट्रेंथ म्हणजे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन किती दिले बाळा? 160 ग्रॅम
160 ग्रॅम.
1 लिटर. हा, स्ट्रेंथ म्हणजे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. तर 1 लिटर पाण्यामध्ये 160 ग्रॅम NaCl पावडर टाकली. हे कळलं का तुला? हा
हो मॅडम.
हा,
हो.
हे पहिली स्टेप आपण तेच लिहिलेलं आहे. गिवन 1 लिटर NaCl सोल्युशन कंटेन 160 ग्रॅम ऑफ NaCl पावडर. कळलं का बाळा? आपण
हो.
आपण किती NaCl वापरले? किती NaCl वापरले?
200 लिटर.
200 लिटर. मग एका लिटर मध्ये जर 160 ग्रॅम असेल, तर 200 लिटर मध्ये किती NaCl असेल?
32 into 10⁶ mg.
हा, 32,000 ग्रॅम किंवा 32 into 10⁶ मिलीग्रॅम. हा, हे काय झालं अमाऊंट? ही कशाची अमाऊंट झाली?
NaCl ची अमाऊंट 200
NaCl
लिटर.
ची अमाऊंट. हे NaCl कशा करता वापरले? आपण ब्राईन सोल्युशन मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला जिओलाइट मध्ये. ब्राईन सोल्युशन म्हणजे 10% कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड NaCl सोल्युशन म्हणजे सी वॉटर. ते कशाला वापरले आपण? जिओलाइट रिजनरेट करायला. हो ना?
रिजनरेशन. हो. हो.
तर तो त्याची जेवढी अमाऊंट आहे तेवढे इक्विव्हॅलंट हार्डनेस तो रिमूव्ह करणार. हा,
हो. हो.
ही NaCl ची अमाऊंट आहे. तर तो किती हार्डनेस रिमूव्ह करणार? तर ते आपल्याला CaCO3 मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं. आपण हार्डनेसचे न्यूमरिकल पाहिलं ना, की काय करतो आपण? मल्टिप्लिकेशन फॅक्टरनी मल्टिप्लाय करतो. व्हॉट इज मल्टिप्लिकेशन फॅक्टर? तिथे पाहिलं आपण काय? 100 डिवायडेड बाय 100.
मोलेक्युलर वेट ऑफ दॅट सबस्टन्स.
हा, तर आता आपण इथे काय करतोय? CaCO3 चे इक्विव्हॅलंट वेट घेतले. तर CaCO3 चं मॉलिक्युलर वेट किती आहे?
CaCO3 100.
हा, Ca वर किती चार्ज आहे?
2.
हा, मग तो किती हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस करतो? 2.
हायड्रोजन.
इक्विव्हॅलंट वेटचं आपलं काय आहे डेफिनेशन? मॉलिक्युलर वेट
मोलेक्युलर वेट
डिवायडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ हायड्रोजन ॲटम दॅट कॅन बी रिप्लेस्ड. हा, मग 100/2 म्हणजे किती झाले? 50. हा,
50. हा, हो,
म्हणून
बरोबर.
आपण इक्विव्हॅलंट वेट 50 घेतलं CaCO3 चं. NaCl
हो.
मध्ये Na वर किती चार्ज आहे? सोडियम वर
1+1.
हा, मग तो किती हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस करेल?
1 हायड्रोजन.
1 हायड्रोजन. हा,
हो.
मग
हो.
आता ऐक. हा, तर आता NaCl चं मॉलिक्युलर वेट किती आहे? Na23 आणि Cl 35.5.
58.5.
हा, मग तो किती हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस करतोय?
1 हायड्रोजन.
म्हणून मग त्याचं चेंज होईल का इक्विव्हॅलंट वेट आणि मॉलिक्युलर वेट?
नाही.
हा, CaCO3 चं चेंज झालं, पण
Change
NaCl चं
झालं.
तेच. म्हणून आपण यांनी मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. म्हणजे हे जे NaCl आहे ते आपण CaCO3 इक्विव्हॅलंट मध्ये कन्वर्ट करतोय. हा, सो वी आर
हो.
कन्वर्टिंग NaCl, अमाऊंट ऑफ NaCl रिक्वायर्ड फॉर रिजनरेशन ऑफ जिओलाइट, ते आपण CaCO3 मध्ये कन्वर्ट करतोय. त्याकरता आपण equivalence weight of CaCO3 divided by equivalence weight of NaCl. जिओलाइटचं कुठलंही न्यूमरिकल असू दे, जे NaCl चा अमाऊंट येईल त्याला 50 डिवायडेड बाय 58.5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. हॅव आय मेड यू क्लिअर टू ऑल?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
everyone
Yes, ma'am.
clear? Yeah, so wherever you have a zeolite numerical, you have to multiply it by 50 by 58.5, not by molecular weight. Huh? Now, quantity of NaCl required in terms of CaCO3 equivalent, that is total hardness. This is the quantity of NaCl required. This is the CaCO3 equivalent hardness. So this is your total hardness. This is the quantity of NaCl required. This is the total hardness. But what is given? What is given? 300 milligram of CaCO3 is present in 1 liter. 300 is present in 1 liter. तर this much amount, total hardness हा इतका मिलीग्राम आहे. तो किती लिटर पाण्यामध्ये असेल? This multiplied by this divided by this. मग that answer comes out to be 91168.09 liter. आता कळले का सगळ्यांना? क्लिअर झालंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एव्हरीवन
Yes, ma'am.
पहिला
Yes.
पार्ट जिओलाइटच्या करता पहिला पार्ट सेम असणारे न्यूमरिकल काही असू दे. आता किती लिटर पाणी सॉफ्ट करू शकतो असा प्रश्न होता. आता दुसऱ्या प्रकारचा प्रश्न तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे का हे न्यूमरिकल? हे लिहून घ्यायचे का न्यूमरिकल तुम्हाला? का लक्षात राहिले? नाही तर 2 मिनिटात लिहून
लिहिलं
घ्या.
मॅम.
हा 2 मिनिटात पटकन लिहून घ्या.
लिहिलंय मॅम, लिहिलंय.
ओके, जाऊ मग पुढे मी. हा, आता दुसरं न्यूमरिकल मला सांगा काय वेगळं आहे त्याच्यात. रीड इट अँड टेल मी व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन दिस टू न्यूमरिकल. I'll drink water till that. Read the second numerical and tell me what is the difference between the first and the second numerical. Chalo, read it out. A zeolite bed exhausted by softening 3000 liters of water. इथे पाणी विचारलंय का किती सॉफ्ट करेल म्हणून? हॅलो, अनलाइक
Yes, ma'am.
फर्स्ट न्यूमरिकल, पहिल्या न्यूमरिकल मध्ये किती लिटर पाणी सॉफ्ट केलं जाईल असं विचारलं होतं. इथे किती लिटर पाणी सॉफ्ट केले ते दिलेलं आहे. कळलं? स्ट्रेंथ इथे ग्रॅम पर लिटर होतं, इथे पर्सेंटेज मध्ये दिलेले आहे. आणि इथे काय विचारलंय? कॅल्क्युलेट द हार्डनेस ऑफ वॉटर सॅम्पल. तिथे हार्डनेस दिला होता. किती होता हार्डनेस? हाऊ मच वॉज द हार्डनेस इन दॅट न्यूमरिकल? 300 ppm. सेम आहे का डिफरंट आहे? इज इट द सेम और डिफरंट?
Different.
Yeah, okay, but first part is same. So 15% NaCl solution is used for regeneration. 15% means what? 15 gram in 100 ml. 15 gram in 100 ml. हा, तर किती लिटर NaCl वापरलाय आपण? चला बोला पटापट. किती लिटर NaCl वापरले इथे?
10 liter.
10 लिटर. 100 ml मध्ये 15 ग्रॅम आहे. मग 1 लिटर मध्ये किती आहे? 15% म्हणजे काय?
150.
नाही 15% म्हणजे काय सगळ्यांना कळलं नाही. आय थिंक सो. व्हॉट इज 15%? यस, व्हॉट इज 15%? 15 ग्रॅम
100 ml water.
100 ml. तर 1 लिटर मध्ये किती येणार मग?
150 gram.
हा,
150 ग्रॅम.
आणि
150
किती लिटर पाणी किती लिटर NaCl सोल्युशन वापरले आपण?
10 liter.
हा,
10 लिटर.
10 लिटर. बरोबर उत्तर देता तरी घाबरताय कशाला तुम्ही? हा, कॉन्फिडन्स हवा तुमच्यामध्ये. सो फॉर 10 लिटर ऑफ 15% NaCl सोल्युशन इट विल बी 15 100 gram. So how many milligram? You have to multiply by 10 raised to 3. Gram, we can convert it in milligram by multiplying by 10 raised to 3. हा तर हे 2 0 आणि हे 3 असं करून 10 रेस टू 5 झालं. कळलं का तुम्हाला? 15 into 10 raised
Yes,
to
ma'am.
5 milligram
Yes,
NaCl.
ma'am.
कळलं का? हा तर आता CaCO3 इक्विव्हॅलंट सेकंड स्टेप पण आपली तीच आहे. बदलणार आहोत का आपण? चला बोला. हा
नाही.
हा मग हा जो NaCl आहे तो आपण CaCO3 इक्विव्हॅलंट हार्डनेस मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलाय. सेकंड स्टेप पण आपली तीच आहे. का 50/58.5 घेतले आपण?
Equivalent weight.
Equivalent weight
इक्विव्हॅलंट
upon.
वेट 50 का आलंय कळलंय तुम्हाला इक्विव्हॅलंट वेट?
Yes.
चला डोंट फील शाय अकवर्ड एनी टाइम. हा आम्ही पण तुमच्या बरोबर
Yes,
शिकतच असतो. असं नाहीये की आम्ही मास्टर आहोत म्हणजे आम्हाला सगळं येते. आम्ही पण तुमच्या बरोबर हळूहळू शिकतच असतो. पण हे न्यूसन्स मला अजिबात चालत नाही. न्यूसन्स झालं की मग मी वाटेल तशी त्यांच्या विरुद्ध ऍक्शन घेते. सो हिअर कळलं का इथे? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
परत हे
Yes,
इक्वेशन
ma'am.
तसंच राहायचं. CaCO3 इक्विव्हॅलंट हार्डनेस इज इक्वल टू टोटल हार्डनेस. हा हार्डनेस किती लिटर पाण्यामध्ये आहे?
3000.
3000.
3000 मध्ये. मग आता हे दोन्ही स्टेप सेमच आहे. तिसरं हे सेंटेन्स पण सेम आहे. CaCO3 इक्विव्हॅलंट ऑफ NaCl रिक्वायर्ड फॉर रिजनरेशन इज टोटल हार्डनेस आणि ते अमाऊंट लिहायचं प्रेझेंट इन 3000. तर 3000 लिटर मध्ये एवढा हार्डनेस आहे. तर 1 लिटर मध्ये किती? हा 3000 लिटर्स मध्ये इतका हार्डनेस आहे. तर 1 लिटर मध्ये किती? आणि
Divided by 3000.
हा 427.35 मिलीग्राम पर लिटर दॅट इज PPM. कळले का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
If
ma'am.
if you want, write it down. This sum. First two steps same. This statement is same. Only this part is different, and this part will give you the answer for the numerical. Chalo, you want to write it down, all the friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it down. Take your own time. Understanding must be clear. I want 100% result, which is I have given it in the VIT also and here also. After done, raise your hand. Are you through, everyone? Are you
No,
through?
ma'am. No.
Huh?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Do it fast, Beto. Do it with understanding. Don't just copy it for the sake of convenience. Chalo, fatafat. If you have understood everything without referring to this, you can complete it. That will improve your confidence level. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
While less number of students are attending, huh? Only for this week, we'll have a little inconvenience. I am on medical leave, but syllabus should go along with the other division. That is why I am taking. We are having shortage of time and you have many things to complete. So if I will not take the lecture, syllabus won't be covered. But even then, in the stipulated time, you have to give the examination. And only for that purpose, I am taking your classes. I will not allow any class to miss. No class will be given off. Are you through, Beto?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will see the next method, ion exchange method. We will see the next method, ion exchange method. Only this is the method you have to understand the principle, etc. Okay. In this method, we have to use the two types of resins. They are called as ion exchange resin. One is called as cation exchange resin and one is called as anion exchange resin. What is cation? What is the charge on cation?
Positive.
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 Oh, yeah, and anion is negative. So
Negative.
we have two types of resins. Resins are the materials. You have seen the resin type of material. So one which can exchange cation from the impurity salt is called as cation exchanger resin, and the one which can remove or replace or exchange anion from the salt is called as anion exchanger resin. So cation exchanger resin, it can, suppose we have a salt CaCl2. So how you will show the disintegration of CaCl2, decomposition of CaCl2? Suppose CaCl2 is there in your water. How you will write the reaction, decomposition reaction? Yes?
CaCl2 is equal to Ca2 plus 2Cl minus.
Yeah. What out of that, who is cation, who is anion?
Ca2 plus is
Yes.
cation and Cl minus is anion.
Okay, so there are two compartments. I will show shortly. There are two compartments in the assembly. One compartment removes the cationic part of the salt. Another compartment removes the anionic part of the salt, and thus the total salt is removed. Third compartment is there, which is heated electrically, which is called as degasifier unit, which removes the dissolved gases from the water sample. Some gases which are harmful to us for the drinking purpose, bathing purpose, etc., are removed by degasifier. So here, instead of the one compartment like a zeolite, we have three compartments, stainless steel, cylindrical, which are interconnected to each other. First compartment is filled with cation exchanger resin. Second compartment is filled with anion exchanger resin, and third compartment is called as the degasifier unit. So it doesn't remove the whole salt in one stroke, but it removes cation in the first step, anion in the second step, and the gases in the third step. So this way the functioning occurs. So the principle again here is the ion exchange. Cation exchange are removed by H plus ion. The cation exchange resin formula is RH2. RH2, and anion exchanger resin formula is ROH twice. Cation exchange resin is RH2 and anion exchange resin is ROH twice. Are you with me? What is the formula for cation exchange resin?
RH twice.
RH2 at the base. Huh? And for anion exchange resin, it is R twice. Huh? Now, these are the formulas. These are the formulas. Write it down, the structure, because for MCQ type, difficult type of question, you will be asked, any structure will be given to you, and you will be asked whether it is a cation exchanger resin or anion exchanger resin. So write down these two examples of cation exchanger resin, these two examples of anion exchanger resin. Nothing to explain. The benzene rings are there and the straight chain of CH2 is there. Here SO3 minus H plus, here it is there. Here also SO3 minus H plus is there. Here also CH2 group is there. Where phenyl ring is there, there only CH is there. जिथे phenyl ring है, benzene ring है, तिथे CH है, remaining are CH2. Again phenyl ring is alternately, तिथे CH आहे. मग इथे CH2 आहे, इथे phenyl ring आहे, CH आहे. तर इथे खाली आहे SO3 मायनस H, इथे पण आहे SO3 मायनस H. लक्षात कसं ठेवायचं ते सांगते. इथे पण अल्टरनेट CH2 अल्टरनेट CH आहे. तर इथे बेन्झीन रिंग इथे वर आहे म्हणून इथे CH आहे. इथे CH2, इथे H आहे आणि त्याला बेन्झीन रिंग आहे. तर हे कंबाईंड जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे अशा प्रकारेच हे करा. These are only one example of cation exchanger resin and anion exchanger resin. एक सगळ्यात मोठी खूण म्हणजे H प्लस आयन असेल तर कॅटायन एक्सचेंजर रेझिन आणि OH मायनस आयन असेल तर anion एक्सचेंजर रेझिन. पण फॉर्म्युला तयार करा तुम्ही. H प्लस इंडिकेट कॅटायन एक्सचेंजर रेझिन, OH मायनस इंडिकेट anion एक्सचेंजर रेझिन. Are you through? Have you written down them?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
write it.
ma'am.
Write it fast. If everything will start maybe in the second phase offline, then ESC examination will be subjective type. If everything except practical will be online, then in semester as well as end semester both will be objective type. So preparing the diagram, preparing the formula is essential. The formula or of cation exchanger resin is, that kind of subjective question can be there in the examination. So don't consider that we will have only objective type of question. It depends on the second phase. If everything goes offline, then subjective type of question will be there. If the theory tutorial are offline, online, and practical are offline, then your examination also will be online. Shall I move further? Are you through?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so principle in this ion exchange process, water containing salt, CaCl2, MgCl2, they are taken in the first care. This is the diagram. Here, the cation exchanger resin is there. It is a stainless steel tank. Here, there is an anion exchanger resin, and this is a degasifier unit. It is heated electrically to remove the dissolved gases in it. So here we have the inlet to introduce the water. It will pass through the cation exchanger resin. The general formula is RH2. The general formula is RH2. So CaCl2 plus RH2. Ca will be replaced by hydrogen. What you will get? I will show the reaction little later. First you write down CaCl2 plus RH2. What you will get? Ca are replaced by hydrogen. Hydrogen will go to the Cl2 and Ca will come to R. What you will get?
CAR plus twice of HCl.
Yeah, RCa. Instead of CAR, you have to write RCa plus, yes, twice HCl.
Twice of, yes.
Twice HCl. Write it down if you want. CaSO4 plus RH2. CaSO4 plus RH2. Chalo.
Ma'am, can you repeat the whole thing?
Yes.
Can you repeat the whole thing?
Okay. Write it down. Are you with me, beta? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
RCa plus, sorry, CaCl2. The reaction in the first container we are studying, CaCl2 plus RH2. At the base of hydrogen 2 you have to write, don't put the bracket for hydrogen. What will be the reaction? Hydrogen will go to Cl and Ca will go to R. Ca वर charge किती आहे? How many charges are there on Ca? How many charges are there on Ca? Two. So how many hydrogen are required for one Ca?
2 hydrogen.
म्हणून आपण RH2 लिहिलंय, RH लिहायचं नाही. कॅटायन एक्सचेंजर रेझिनचा जे स्मॉल फॉर्म्युला आहे RH2. मग तो हायड्रोजन कॅटायन एक्सचेंजर रेझिन आपल्या सॉल्टच्या अनायनला जाऊन मिळतो. CaCl2 मध्ये कोण अनायन आहे? CaCl2 मध्ये कोण अनायन आहे?
Cl2.
मग तो twice H plus Cl2. What you will get? Twice
2HCl.
H2 plus Cl2. काय मिळेल तुम्हाला?
2HCl.
2HCl. करेक्ट. एवढं घाबरताय कशाला? आणि उरलेलं तसंच लिहून टाकायचं, RCa प्लस ट्वाइस HCl. आलात का माझ्या बरोबर?
Yes, ma'am.
कळलं का सगळ्यांना? ओके. नाउ CaSO4 करता सेम रिएक्शन लिहा. CaSO4 प्लस RH2. चला मी काही सांगणार नाही, तुमचं तुम्ही सांगा.
RCa plus H2SO4.
करेक्ट. जिओलाइट मध्ये आपल्याला काय मिळायचं? Na2Z चं काय व्हायचं? CaZ. आठवतंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
हा CaZ किंवा MgZ व्हायचं. आता इथे RCa किंवा MgCa. आता फक्त Mg ला करा बरं रिॲक्शन. MgSO4 प्लस RH2 करा बरं. MgSO4 प्लस RH2 करा पटापट. काय अवघड आहे रे?
RMG plus
RMG
H2SO4.
plus H2SO4.
कळलंय का नक्की? हा
हो.
हा
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
RCA or RMG, it remains here in the first container, and HCl or H2SO4, it moves to the second container. Understand? RCA or RMG, it remains here in the first container, and HCl or H2SO4, which is formed with the anionic part, it goes to second compartment, which is filled with ROH twice. ROH twice, which is filled with ROH twice. So who will react now? Yes. Twice HCl plus ROH twice. OH ला bracket टाकायची. What you will get? Yes. RCl2 plus twice H2O. हा कळले का? सेकंड मध्ये काय रिॲक्शन होतीये?
मॅम एक
Yes,
वेळ
ma'am.
रिपीट करा.
ओके रिॲक्शन मी इथे दाखवते तुम्हाला म्हणजे कळेल. माझं होतं की अंडरस्टँड करून करावं. तेव्हा कॅटायन एक्सचेंजर रेझिन RH2 प्लस CaCl2 मधला Ca फक्त रिॲक्ट होतो. RCa प्लस ट्वाइस H प्लस. हा काय इथे ज्या रिॲक्शन दिल्या त्या कन्फ्युजिंग आहे. दॅट इज वाय आय हॅव टेकन इट अदर वे राउंड. Try to understand. Initially you will find bit difficult, but it will, once it will fit into your mind, it will be easy. You want me to write it on the pencil and I will show it? Yes.
मॅम एक वेळ फक्त
Have you
ओरली
written
बोला.
the reaction in the first? Have you written the reaction in the first?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What you have written the
Yes.
reaction? हा वॉटर मध्ये CaCl2 आहे. Ca ला कोण रिप्लेस करतं? What is the formula for cation exchanger resin? General formula
RH2.
H2. Huh?
RH2.
So hydrogen from RH2, hydrogen from RH2 will replace calcium from CaCl2, and you will get RCa plus twice HCl in the first container. Are you with me,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Have you understood?
Ma'am.
Huh? Okay. RCa will remain there in the first container. Huh? And only HCl will move to the second container. How HCl is formed? How HCl is formed? Yes.
Because it reacts with Cl.
Cl from where Cl is there?
CaCl2 reacts.
Anion
Plus
of the
RH2.
impure salt. Anion of the impure salt react with R and it forms RCa. RCa and anion react with H plus. Anion has two charges, so two hydrogen are required. So twice HCl or twice H2SO4 will move. In which case you get H2SO4? In which case you get H2SO4?
CaSO4.
CaSO4 plus RH2.
Yeah, correct. Huh? So H2SO4. So is the, listen to my question, is the salt moves to the second container or acid?
Acid.
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 Are you with me? Okay, now we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
write the reaction of anion exchanger resin with the acid. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose we have HCl. What is the formula for anion exchanger resin?
ROH twice.
ROH by 2.
twice. Which acid has come? Suppose twice HCl. Huh? So write down the reaction in the second container. Anion exchanger resin ROH twice plus twice HCl. What you will get?
RCl2.
RCl2 plus twice H2O. Huh? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now similar reaction, you try to write it with H2SO4. Give me the answer. ROH
RSO4.
plus H2SO4 giving you
RSO4.
good. RSO4 plus
Twice of H2O.
uh,
Twice of H2O.
okay.
OH2.
So this water which is formed in the second container, it goes to the third unit. What is that called as?
Degasifier.
What is its role? What is its role? What is the role of
To remove
degasifier? It
To
removes
remove
gases,
poisonous gases.
gases which are harmful. It is operated electrically. So cation is removed from the first container, anion is removed from the second container, and gases are removed from the third container. Is it a compact arrangement? Is it a compact arrangement like zeolite?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So this is one done. Now what is second part? What is second part? Regeneration of ion exchange resin. There we have seen regeneration of zeolite. आठवते का?
Yes, ma'am.
आता इथे regeneration of the cation exchanger resin and anion exchanger resin. Cation exchanger resin is regenerated by using HCl or H2SO4. Anion exchanger resin is regenerated by using KOH or NaOH. And that diagram is here. This is the cation exchanger resin, acid is added, and this is the anion exchanger resin in which NaOH is added. So this gives acid. It forms, it reacts with this and it recovers the RH2. It reacts with the anionic part and it gives ROH twice. What are those reactions? See, these are the reaction with cation exchanger resin RH2. Here it is reacting with only Ca. So you get RCa plus twice H plus. If you find these are the useful, you remember this. RH2 plus Mg plus 2 gives you RMg plus twice Mg plus. Got it? Or if you want it with the salt. See, are you with me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes, ma'am.
way for simplicity, but what I have told you this way, RH2 plus MgCl2 gives you RMg plus twice HCl. Now regeneration, immediately regeneration. RCA we have to form RH2. RCA पासून RH2 तयार करायचा आहे. मग त्याकरता आपल्याला HCl टाकायचं त्या कॅन मधनं. हा कॅन मी तुम्हाला दाखवला. HCl for regeneration. HCl for regeneration आणि NaOH for regeneration. तर या कॅन मधनं ते भरायचं. सो अगेन वी विल सी. सो हे जे तयार झाले RCA जे तयार झाले त्याच्यापासून RH2 आपल्याला तयार करायचंय. तर RCA plus twice HCl giving you RH2 plus CaCl2. RMg plus twice HCl giving you RH2 plus MgCl2. This is taken out in the form of washings at the exit which is present. इथनं CaCl2 MgCl2 काय तयार झालं असेल ते बाहेर घेतलं जातं. And the process is complete. Now we will see the reaction for anion exchanger resin. ROH twice, it reacts with anionic part SO4 minus 2, gives you RSO4 plus twice OH minus, or with salt, if you want, ROH twice plus HCl, which I told you, giving you RCl2 plus twice H2O. And then from RCl2, we can regenerate ROH2 by treating with NaOH. You get RONOH twice and Na2SO4. And whatever are there, they are taken out from the exit. The byproduct are taken out. And then water is made free from the remaining. Huh? Yeah, please call me later. My lecture is still going on. So within 2 minutes, you revise this reaction. If you want, whichever you find easy, either these two or these two and these two, 4. And from another side, these two and these two, 4. You remember that, then we will see what are the advantages and disadvantages. And then we will see the difference and then we'll stop. Chalo, patapat. Another 10 minutes maximum. Are you doing it? Are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Do it.
ma'am.
Remember these two reaction. Remember these two for regeneration and for these two reaction and these two reaction for regeneration.
Can you show the anion exchange regeneration reaction?
It is done. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Tell me as soon as you are through.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now advantages. Zeolite was removing the hardness to 5 to 10 ppm, but it removes the hardness to 0 to 2 ppm. It can treat acidic as well as alkaline water. Zeolite was not able to soften the acidic and alkaline water. Regeneration of ion resins is easy or possible. Their APP and MNP, from that the zeolite generation was not possible. Here it is possible. Maintenance cost is low. So these are the 4 advantages. There it was 5 to 10 ppm. Here it is 0 to 2. Their zeolite method was not fit for the softening of acidic or alkaline water and hot water, because acidic water, alkaline water as well as hot water destroys the permutate. Their APP and MNP softening was possible, but regeneration of permutate from APP and MNP was not possible. Their maintenance cost was high. Here cost of equipment is high. it is not the compact like zeolite, and therefore once it is installed, you have to carry out the softening at that place only. In zeolite, equipment was compact. So the softening was not possible everywhere, anywhere. Here it is not possible. Highly turbid water cannot be treated. This is the drawback of both the method. Highly turbid water cannot be treated. Expensive chemicals are required. This cation exchanger resin and anion exchanger resin, they are very costly. There, it was zeolite, it was a natural or synthetic. They are available at a low cost, maybe 700 rupees per kg, etc. But this cation exchanger resin or anion exchanger resin, they are not that easy. These are the differences between the zeolite and ion exchange. Just learn this and then we'll stop. We will solve the numerical next class.
Attendance, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll take the attendance. I have not shared the link. Honestly, you give the attendance. Roll number 1. Roll number
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4, 5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present is all. झालं.
9, 10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12, 13, 14,
Present, ma'am.
15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
हा कुठे गेला?
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19, 20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26, 27, 28, 27 is present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 28. Huh?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 28,
Present.
29, 30, 31,
Present, ma'am.
32, 33,
Present, ma'am.
34, 34, 35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am. 35.
37,
36 present, ma'am.
37, present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, 40, 41,
40 present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
okay,
41
41, 41,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
42, 43, 43,
Ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45, 45, 46,
Present, ma'am.
47, 48, 49,
Present, ma'am.
50,
Present, ma'am.
51, 52,
Present, ma'am.
53, 54, 55,
Present, ma'am.
56, 57,
Present, ma'am.
58, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64,
Present, ma'am.
65,
Present, ma'am.
66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. What is the last roll number?
I'm 73.
72,
72 present.
73.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Now you learn this 2 minutes. I will display this. Tomorrow we are the veterinarian's next lecture. That time I'm going to ask you the differences between this formula of cation exchanger resin, anion exchanger resin, reaction in the softening process, regeneration process, advantages and disadvantages. Take your own time and do it fast. And those who have given me on my personal WhatsApp number, I will not declare their name as per my commitment, are going to call me at 9 o'clock today without fail. And I want their parents present when they are calling me on phone. I have this,
Ma'am, 61 got disconnected at the last moment.
but was he in the mischievous list? What was his name?
61.
नहीं नेम
Roll
क्या है
number.
उसका? नेम क्या है?
Aditi.
नहीं वो हाँ yeah, I'll mark present. All the 3 boys, one I have removed and the 3 more names are there with me. I am not going to disclose. Now all these 3 students, they are going to call me in presence of their parents today itself at 9:30. I don't want to listen to them at all. Otherwise, here of tomorrow, your names will be given to class teacher to display it on the your CRECR group. The 3 numbers which are there, and the one who knows Ritesh J, I have removed him. Tell him the same message. Who will take care? Who knows Ritesh J? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone knows Ritesh J? Please, on your unofficial group, post it that ma'am want to talk to you at 9:30 along with your parents. Huh? Okay, shall I leave? Shall I leave?
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, please come with the preparation. I want everyone to prepare simultaneously. So that, हाँ बोलो.
मैम मैं अथर्व कुलकर्णी मतलब मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ
हाँ.
मैम मैंने वो नहीं किया था वो स्लाइड खराब नहीं किया था मेरे को लगा मैंने किया पर वो मैंने नहीं किया था क्योंकि वो मेरे से इरेज भी नहीं हो रहा था
देखते हैं. Call me later.